Today, on the BMW K1600, I will be removing one old spotlight and installing a new spotlight. To do this job, you will need to take off your plastics. We're going to be doing the right side. The left side spotlight was burnt out and I replaced it with the new one. I noticed that the new spotlight puts out more light than the old one does. So I am going to take this one off and put the new one on. Remove the zip ties. There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to connect these first temporarily just to see if it works. Brown wire is your ground and the orange and yellow wire your positive. We're going to do some solder connectors. All right, we'll let that cool down a bit. A water resistant seal, and it solders your wires together. The original factory spotlights connect up here. These obviously are aftermarket. So to connect these in, you got to hardwire them in. So what I did was I just snipped it before the connection here. Just in case in the future I do get OEM spotlights, and I can just plug right into it. All right, folks, that's how I install the spotlights. It's the same on both sides. There's no difference. If you go OEM, they should be plug and play. But these, anyway, saves you a lot of money. Go going with an aftermarket brand. And so far, they've been really good. The left side's been on for about 6 months. I'm happy with them. Questions, comments? You know what to do. Put them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. Take care.